Hey there, healthy habitat family. Ever felt those occasional nerve twinges, or maybe a persistent tingling that doesn't seem to go away? If you've been seeking answers on how to naturally support your nervous system, then you're in the right place. And hey, I've done the hard work for you. If you're already considering supplementing with these vitamins or want trusted brands, I've curated a list of the best sellers on Amazon. Check out the links in the description right after this video. Now, let's dive in. Vitamin number 1. B1. Thiamine. Thiamine, commonly known as vitamin B1, is an essential nutrient our bodies require but can't produce on their own. Serving as a coenzyme in nerve function, B1 supports the nerves and the heart. It's vital in the conversion of food into energy, specifically helping the body metabolize carbohydrates. A deficiency in B1 could lead to conditions like beriberi, which affects breathing, eye movements, and even heart function. Apart from nerve-related issues, it can result in weight loss and cognitive disturbances. Rich sources include whole grains, legumes, and some meats. Vitamin number 2. B6. Pyridoxine. Pyridoxine, or vitamin B6, holds a multifaceted role in our bodily functions. Not only does it contribute to neurotransmitter synthesis, which helps transmit signals between nerve cells, but it also aids in amino acid metabolism, red blood cell formation, and DNA creation. A deficiency, though rare, can present symptoms like tingling sensations, numbness, seizures, and even mood disturbances. Maintaining a balanced intake is crucial, as excessive consumption can lead to nerve damage. Some of the best sources include chickpeas, bananas, avocados, and certain fish. Vitamin number 3. B12. Cobalamin. Cobalamin, or vitamin B12, is indispensable for multiple functions in the body. From DNA synthesis to metabolic functions like fat and protein metabolism, B12 has vast roles. Especially crucial for nerve cell health, it supports the production of myelin, a protective sheath that covers our nerves. A deficiency can lead to severe nerve damage, fatigue, weakness, constipation, loss of appetite, and anemia. Since B12 is majorly found in animal products, vegetarians and vegans might need to seek fortified foods or supplements. Vitamin number 4. E. Tocopherol. Vitamin E, known scientifically as tocopherol, is a fat-soluble antioxidant. It plays a significant role in protecting the body's cells, particularly the nerve cells, from damage by free radicals. This protection ensures optimal communication between nerve cells, keeping nerve functions smooth. Additionally, vitamin E has been observed to widen blood vessels, preventing blood from clotting within them. Good sources of vitamin E encompass nuts, especially almonds, seeds, spinach, and vegetable oils. Vitamin number 5. Magnesium. Magnesium is much more than just a mineral. It's involved in over 600 cellular reactions in our body. From nerve transmission to muscle contraction, magnesium plays a crucial role. It supports nerve function by maintaining the electrical activity in nerves. A deficiency might lead to symptoms like muscle cramps, mental disorders, osteoporosis, fatigue, and high blood pressure. Regularly consuming magnesium-rich foods or supplements can benefit nerve health, bone health, and more. Key sources include spinach, avocados, dark chocolate, and nuts. Vitamin number 6. Omega-3 fatty acids. While omega-3 fatty acids are technically fats, their role in nerve health is undeniably profound. They form an integral part of cell membranes throughout the body, and affect the function of the cell receptors in these membranes. Omega-3s provide the starting point for making hormones that regulate blood clotting, contraction, and relaxation of artery walls. They also bind to receptors in cells that regulate genetic function. In terms of nerve health, omega-3s help in building and repairing nerve cells. Regular intake can help combat inflammation and promote better brain and nerve function. Key sources include fatty fish like salmon, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. There you have it, the top 6 vitamins to support and heal your nerves naturally. Remember, it's always crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or supplementation. Also, Don't forget to check out the bestseller recommended supplements in the description below. Your nerves will thank you. Thanks for tuning in today, Healthy Habitat family. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.